Stop scrolling. Here is a very quick video. See, if you are struggling to find a very good YouTube tutorial which can convert something crazy, like Alex Hormozi used to create a business videos in 2025, and if you don't have a huge time to convert this video into a very cute visualization based mind map, this video is only for you. Yes, if Alex Hormozi isn't using this video, why can't we use it? See, this AI tools is booming, and if you are getting late to use this, do watch this video till the very end. Let's deep dive to the screen and
So it's kind of 11. I don't think I can show you the exact time. So it's 11:51. Okay, and 5th of January. I'm recording this video. So yeah, hi, I'm Niransh Das, your one and only founder of Urestart. So just like you, I'm kind of very obsessed when it comes to learn something from the best of best coach in this market. So I feel like Alex is one of the greatest mind in this business growth, to be honest, and is a very great entrepreneur so far. But what I feel like there is some problems, right? His videos are just gold mine for anyone who is struggling to build a startup or business or something like that. But the videos that he used to upload are kind of very long. And who got an hour to sit at a place just like I'm sitting here in a sofa and like to watch the entire hour long videos and taking notes out there. Just like me, who is really hustling to grow my business, I think I don't have a time. So I feel like I have something to share to you. So I prepared a very crazy game plan for that. And I found some very exciting AI tools and yes, free AI tools, which can turn Alex insights into actionable mind map. And in this video, I'm not only showing you how exactly, also giving you the step-by-step SOP to be honest, and which can actually save your hours, like your valuable time, and also can help you crush your goals. So I don't think I can waste much of your time. So without any further ado, let's deep dive to this entire video, sharing you the screen and taking forward to the entire video. Okay, so I have shared my screen so far. Okay, so in this SOP, I had prepared what are the process overview, what are the tools that has been required, what are the steps to use, and what are the prompts that you have to apply to just to get the mind map ready, right? So let's go one by one. Now, what are the tools that is required? First, while converting this entire long videos into a proper mind map, first these tools are mandatory. First, YouTube summary by Google AI Studio. So you have to go on Google and you have to just copy this and go to Google and paste it over here and search for Chrome extension. On the very first, you will get this. So now I'm like getting this option called as remove from Brave. If you haven't installed, you will get an option just to install this. So I don't want to remove and install it again. So if you haven't used this, just do the step and install it for yourself. Done. And here we have already mentioned the features and compatibility and the cost. And the second tool that we required is called as Mapify. You can search on Google. If you go on Google and search for Mapify, you will get this, right? As I have already signed up, so I don't think I need to re-sign up. So if you want, like, it's a very simple process that required, right? So now, what are the steps to convert this video tutorial into mind map? Identify the video that you want. So to as per your desire, you can choose anyone for yourself. I'm just showing you with my example so far. So select a long video tutorial you wish to summarize and convert into a mind map, right? For example, what I'm taking is Alex Hormozi's video regarding how to how to grow your business fast in 2025. The video that he had recently uploaded just I think 3 days ago. I think, yeah. Okay. So what I need to do is you have to go over here and click on Google AI Studio. I have clicked twice, so it will take a time. I think it just take 10 to 12 seconds just to summarize this entire video. Okay, it's taking 9.1 second. Done. Now you have to copy this entire prompt that I have mentioned over here and copy and paste it on this Google AI Studio. Okay, and run. Oh, okay. It's also giving me this uh, code wala option, but I don't think we required this. But okay, I think let me run it again. Okay, now it's fine. So once it's done, just do one thing. Copy from the part of central topic till the mind map instruction get complete. Just to copy and just paste it over here. Go to long text, paste it over here and click on Mapify. Let's see what results this Mapify can give to us. Okay, let's see. Oh, so the entire mind map is kind of ready. So I don't have the printer to print out. Okay, I can print out by visiting to any store, to be honest, and save it with my diary. So now I think I can download this in a PDF format. So you just need to click on this share option. You can like download it in an image format, PDF format, SVG format, markdown format, xmind map, or you can directly print out. So click on PDF and save to a location that you want. I just want to change this Alex Hormozi super fast business and something that like okay, it's done. So I do want to open this. Okay, so we have this, right? Cool. So they don't even mention any watermark, and this tool is absolutely free. What else do you want right now? The entire instructions are available in this SOP. So if you want this SOP to deliver to you directly, what things is required? So it's done. Listen, I get it. So you are watching this entire video and you have watched the entire video content just because you are ambitious and you are hungry and you are kind of ready to grow. To be honest, you aren't watching Alex Hormoz's video for fun, right? You're watching Alex Hormozi video just to win. So this entire method and the entire tools that I have shared to you are the shortcuts to get the results and get the work done, right? So imagine like saving hours while still absorbing that all that valuable knowledge. And like this is not just about being so smarter, but to get the next level solution. And see, don't worry about Alex Hormozi, like what Alex is going to think, because he's a guy and an empire builder, to be honest. And he like he has got his own audience and we got our audience. So I want to deliver this video to only you, just because I feel like whatever I used to use I only promote it. see, like it's not an affiliate video or like something that I'm getting commission for, right? So the goal is here to compete and to make more powerful content and just to leverage the AI tools. So if you are ready to start, here is what exactly you need to do. Hit the like, and if you feel like or if you found this video tutorial something crazy, then don't forget to hit the red color wala subscribe button wherever you can see over the title box. And don't forget to hit that notification bell icon to get such updates that whenever I used to upload. And I'm dropping more game changing videos in the next upcoming days so far. And if you want this SOP to deliver to you, just drop a comment. I will simply DM it to you or like reply back to your comment and share the drive link where you can get the access. So if you wanted to join WhatsApp group where you can get such updates more advancedly, so type WhatsApp in the comment box so that I can also share you a WhatsApp link where you can join our group as well. And let me show you one more thing as well. If you have got this tool, see, now the only question is, are you excited? Or like, are you ready to just make things happen? Or like, remember, to be honest, what I feel like success is all about working smarter, to be honest, and not just doing hard work. So go ahead and take some actions and implement these tools, and do let me know what's your opinion about this video, and let's build something more incredible. Till then, thanks for watching.